Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at the gardening week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. In this episode, we're taking a look at week 26, Saturday, June 22nd to Saturday, June 29th. Up first, the weather. It's hot. What else can I say? It looks like the best chance for rain is going to be this weekend and into Monday. But even then, it's only a 25% chance. The rest of the week, we're looking at pretty much the same as last week. Highs in the 90s and lows in the 70s. Next, let's take a look at some garden tasks. Today, Saturday, June 22nd, is the time to stop harvesting asparagus and also seed Brussels sprouts for an autumn harvest. Monday, June 24th, seed or transplant savory. This flavorful annual herb tastes a little like a cross between thyme and oregano. Monday is also a good time to harvest beet greens. Tuesday, June 25th, plant tomatoes and peppers for a late crop. Also, after stopping the asparagus harvest, now is the time to fertilize it for strong growth next spring. Wednesday, June 26th, keep your compost healthy by adding greens like non-seed-bearing weeds. On Thursday, June 27th, plant basil, stake peppers, and transplant rosemary. Friday, June 28th, is the last quarter moon. It's also a good time to plant half runner and pole beans for a late harvest. And finally, on Saturday, June 29th, plant cilantro, and remember to harvest summer squash frequently. Happy harvesting, stay cool, and of course, keep growing. For a full transcript and more, find us online at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.